Welcome to Hamilton, Ohio. About a 40-minute drive north of Cincinnati. It's here where an inspired transformation in cleaning has taken shape since 1997. At that time, the owner of a cleaning supply company, Bob Robinson Sr., insisted there had to be a better, more hygienic way to clean restrooms than janitors getting on their hands and knees and scrubbing. Not only a growing concern in the industry for sanitary reasons, but detested by the men and women in charge of performing cleaning's most disgusting chore. Bob was unstoppable in his efforts to find a better way. How could he improve the process and results and bring dignity to the most hated job in cleaning? He called his new company Kaivac. His new American-made, no-touch cleaning system has earned industry awards and accolades, not to mention fiercely loyal fans among the cleaning companies, janitors, health professionals, and of course, the thousands of satisfied companies whose restrooms are noticeably cleaner, more sanitary, and odor-free. And by combining pressure washing, chemical injection, and wet vacuuming on a single platform, Kaivac eliminated the need for janitors to swing a mop or get on their hands and knees to scrub. In more recent years, Kaivac has turned its attention to tackle a wide variety of hard surface cleaning challenges. Spill response, for example, is one of the most costly and disruptive cleanup challenges many industries face. In America alone, more than 2 million people suffer from a slip, trip, or fall every year. In many cases, the building owner or operator is found to be at fault. Mop and bucket? Ineffective and time-consuming. Auto scrubbers? Expensive, disruptive, and impractical during business hours. Kaivac has hit the spill response sweet spot with the OmniFlex SUV, an all-in-one multi-purpose platform that works 3 to 4 times faster than a mop, removing the spilled soils completely from the floor, leaving the area dry and harm-free. Beyond restrooms and spills, Kaivac has solutions for entrances, food service areas, weather-related cleaning, and more. By maintaining safe and attractive entrances and improving the general all-around appearance and indoor environment, Kaivac systems protect you and your image. Recently, one of the world's largest retailers, impressed with the results they attained, is replacing the mop with Kaivac in thousands of their stores. The demand for advanced hygienic cleaning, healthier, sustainable solutions, and safer environments continues to grow. Kaivac will never stop innovating, delivering cost-effective, worker-friendly, intelligent cleaning systems that work. The Kaivac story is just beginning.